welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove Meta AI from Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to remove Meta AI from Messenger, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Messenger. So frankly speaking, Meta AI is right over there on your Messenger and it will always be there. You cannot have a possible way to simply remove it from your Messenger app as it is automated from Meta itself. However, if you want to simply ignore it, or if you don't want to see it, then all you can do is simply tap on the I option, and once you tap, you can find this button called mute. Simply tap on the mute button and tap on until I change it, and now it will be in mute mode, which means that you won't be getting any notification from Meta AI itself, which will help you to simply ignore it, or it will act like you have removed Meta AI from Messenger. So this is how you can simply do. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.